As a former teacher, I love using books to help my kiddos understand different organizing concepts. So when it comes to organizing and cleaning up their rooms, or just even their toys, I love using kids' picture books. They're probably my favorite thing to read and help them kind of understand why it's important to organize and tidy up your entire home. Hi, my name's Jessica and I'm the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, I'm going to share my favorite kids' books on the topics of organizing, tidying, and cleaning. I love the book Just a Mess by Mercer Mayer. This book is about this little critter, and he is really messy, and his room is, all over the place with toys and all of his things, and his mom tells him he should clean it up, so he asks for help and nobody's able to help him. So then he goes and he cleans up, and his way of cleaning up is shoving stuff under the bed and in the closet, and it's kind of like a funny story because the words that they're saying and the pictures are totally different. We love this book because it's just really silly. The kids think that it's funny how he just shoves all his stuff under the bed and in the closet, and then in the end he finds his baseball mitt, which was on the other side of his bed. Some other books that are along the same lines as this one are Too Many Toys by David Shannon, Fancy Nancy and Too Many Tutus, and Franklin is Messy. I also love The Berenstain Bears in the Messy Room. This book, as you can see, is like an original from when I was little, so I love this one. It's about the Berenstain Bears, and their bedroom is really messy, and brother and sister bear get really annoyed, and then mama starts to just throw everything in a box to get rid of it. And in the end, Papa comes up with some solutions, so do the cubs, and then they have a nice clean room at the end. Some other books that are along the lines of this one are A Place for Everything, Cleanup Time, and The Big Tidy. All of the books that I'm talking about are listed below in the description. Another book that we are loving is called Kangaroo, Has Too Much Stuff. This is by a local author, and I think this book is super cute. She wrote it about her daughter and how she has too much stuff, and so she turned into like a little kangaroo. I think it's a great book on organizing. I love the whole story. Some other books that go along the lines of Kangaroo are Gray Rabbit, Odd One Out, and Do Dinosaurs Clean Their Rooms? Also, I love Frog and Toad books. These are one of my favorite series. In one of the Frog and Toad books, it's Frog and Toad Together. The very first story is called A List. And in this story, Toad creates a list for his day. I really like this story because Toad lays out his day in list form so that he knows what to do. And I think that's super helpful with little kids, especially on days when you don't totally have a plan, that they can make a list so they kind of have some sort of structure for their day. And I think the story is really cute because he loses his list and he doesn't know what to do, and he feels like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. So he just sits there and waits so that he remembers the last thing on his list is go to sleep, and that's what he does. So I love that story too, just to kind of give kids an idea of something that they can do if they are unsure or want to get their day kind of planned and organized. Make sure to check out in the description. I have a list of all of the books that I listed plus more that I've found that I love, all about organizing, tidying for kids. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.